Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So actually we've got two different ways to do that. The first one is using directly our contact list, and the second is using, let's say, the dialer settings. Of course, I'll show you both. So let's begin with opening your contacts and find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it. Now let's tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner, and as you can see here we've got the option Block Numbers. So just tap. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. I don't want to report it as a spam, so I will untick this option and simply tap on Block. And as you can see, we've got this characteristic icon. What's more, we've got the information that this number is blocked, so as it was said, you won't receive any calls or messages. Of course, if you want to, you can unblock this number using the same technique, let's say. Just tap on the three dots icon and tap on Unblock Numbers. But I want to leave it like this because we will check if it will appear on the blacklist. So right now we can go back, and here we've got the second way to block a number. Here it doesn't really matter if you will be on the contacts, recents or favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Now we have to tap on Blocked Numbers, and as you can see, we've just been transferred to our block list. So this is the number we just blocked from our contacts, Lily, I believe. And here you will be able to block a contact manually. Let's say just tap on Add a Number, and as you can see, we've got the space, the place where we can enter the number. So you do not have to save the number on the contacts in order to block it. You can just enter it here manually. So after entering, just tap on Block, and as you can see, it will immediately appear on the blacklist. What's more, here we've got a very useful option, I believe, the unknown option, which will allow your device to block calls from all unidentified callers. So if you do not want to receive any incoming calls from the numbers which you do not have got saved, then it's quite useful, I believe. You can just tap on the switcher to turn it on and tap on it again to turn it off. Of course, you can unblock those numbers. The first way is the way I've just shown you, using the contacts, but here also you can just tap on this X button and tap on Unblock, and as you can see, they are immediately removed from the blacklist, which means that you will receive incoming calls and text messages from them. So actually this is it. This is how to block a number in your Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.